Yo, it's Al, and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Today I'm going to take you through what I copped at Complexcon and my shopping trips around LA. So without further ado, let's begin! Now that's out the bag, I may as well start with the Saucony Homework by Trinidad James. As you can see, they are on feet, paired with some dad socks. We have the Homework jacket, and I have to have a big thank you for the chai tea, because this is going to be the first thing I have a cup of when I get home. So as I come across now, we have the Unfinished Legacy half set, we have the butterfly tee, and this Sign Unfinished Legacy shirt. I've been following Bremer and the guys for a good while now through their YouTube, and to be able to give those guys their flowers and exchange the blessings of energy that they gave, that was next level, so thank you. Next, I'm going to make my way up to the geniuses at Market. You have the Croc swoosh. I'm not going to say too much on this, you guys can check it out. And the Call My Lawyer tee. So their whole booth was based around this lawyer aspect, and when you guys get to check that out, you'll understand a lot more. As I come across now, we have the Stuff Barcelona Snow Globe tee, and I've never seen a functional snow globe on a shirt before, so that was next level. But as I take off this beautiful Homework jacket and just place it by here, I have the Stuff Baby Blue hoodie, but wait, there's more. As I turn, you will see that there's a functional back pouch with a back sweater to keep an extra pair of kicks in when needed. As I come down from Stuff now, this was the most sentimental booth for me, because when I got to visit the Lamborghini booth, I got to trade stories, moments, and everything else in between. And in case you didn't know, it's Stevie Will forever. So we have the Yams camo pocket tee, you've got the Subway Series head tee, the Dickies jacket, and even the Yams birthmark balaclava. As I come across now, you have the Verdi Complexcon tee. Shout out to the guys at Stuff for that blessing. And above, we have the 24 Calates Diodora collaboration. The materials and textures on this sneaker, kick, however you want to call it, is beautiful. Above, we have the Vandy the Pink Burger Shop bag. I won't open that up because it'll get too big again. Then we'll come across to the Billionaire Boys Club ice cream. Come on, look at the Skateboard P reference there. This is a throwback nostalgia shirt in itself for me, so that had to come home with me. Next, we're going to come down to the Anwar Carrot shirt. Ain't shit funny. Big shout out to Peso for that one and the blessings that those guys gave. Now, this is where Complexcon is all finished up, and I make my way to my shopping trips around LA, be it Fairfax, Melrose, and everything in between. So we'll go to the Diamond Supply Board Ape shirt, followed by the Hundreds New Jersey. Had to cop the Keith Forever Stussy shirt, shout out to Keith Huffnickel, RIP. Last but no means least, while I was here, it was Black Friday, and you know I had to get some steals and deals. So I went and hit up Syndicate LA, and they were doing amazing deals. So you could get Kickz for $1, for $100 when they were meant to be four-figure prices, and then they had the bargain bins of streetwear, shorts, t-shirts, everything. So I went and caught the Eric Emanuel shorts, 2 Palace tees, and the Supreme America Eats His Young shirt. But wait, I had to also cop the Jordan 60 MP, which cost me $1. Yeah, I said it, $1. A big thank you to everyone, and hopefully see you next year. This has been another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Peace!